Before you spend your hard-earned money on hype sneakers or premium streetwear, you need to pause for a minute and ask one important question. Is Crepdogcrew actually legit, or just another risky online store with good marketing? Crepdogcrew.com presents itself as a platform for limited edition sneakers, designer footwear, and high-end streetwear. And at first glance, the site looks polished. Product listings are attractive, and the branding feels targeted towards serious sneaker enthusiasts. The domain has been registered since April 2019, which gives it more credibility than newly created stores. And the brand also maintains an active presence on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, where they regularly post product updates, drops, and customer engagement content, which usually signals an operating business rather than a ghost store. However, legitimacy is not only about domain age and social media activity. What matters more is consistency in customer experience, pricing transparency, delivery reliability, and after-sale support. Market observations show mixed user feedback patterns. Some buyers report successful purchases and authentic products, while others mention concerns around pricing premiums, response time from support, and occasional order friction, which is not uncommon in resale and hype-driven sneaker markets. The pricing on many items tends to be higher than retail, which suggests a resale model rather than a standard retail store, so expectations should be aligned accordingly. Overall, the signals point toward a functioning sneaker resale and streetwear platform with visible operations. But like most hype marketplaces, buyer caution, payment method safety, and independent verification of product details remain important before placing an order, especially for high-ticket items where authentication and return handling can make a big difference.